Hey, good morning, everybody. Excuse me. Happy Thursday morning. I'm beginning to lose sight of the timing because I have so much going on. So bear with me if I'm a little, delayed on responses as far as the timing. I really had to think about what today is. So again, I want to take this time, guys, and say thank you, guys, and welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. And if you're new on this video, on this vlog, please, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe, guys. Don't forget to get subscribed. Um, I want to take this time to just tell everybody out there, thank you, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my crazy big black family on YouTube, and thank you everybody for supporting our YouTube channel. We are going through a very, very tough time right now, and that's why I did this video. I felt the need to address a live I was on 2 days ago at the hospital. So we were called into Boston because my mom was supposed to go home from the hospital. My mom has terminal cancer, terminal liver cancer that has metastasized. Excuse me. Um, when I say metastasized, my mom has cancer in about 3 different spots at this point, and it started in her liver. So it's safe to say my mom is living on her last days, as well as her kidneys are failing and her liver is failing. Um, I was on the live the other day, and we were at the hospital. And it's not that this is a big deal, but I just feel the need to say this because sometimes the ignorance in the world and the lack of knowledge or the lack of composure when it comes to certain scenarios is incredible to me, to say the least. If I'm on a live stream, if you're on a live stream and you're crying and I just happen to click on a live, I'm not going to enter that live stream and go, what the is going on? The F is going on. Are you serious? Are you dumb? I've been waiting to address this since that happened, but because, again, I'm a actually busy woman who actually doesn't sit on my behind all day with my man on the couch and me on the couch, neither one of us working, but I got a camera up pressing live. That's not what's going on over here, okay? I run a small business. I'm a mom of 7. I'm a grandmother full-time. I'm also part-time caretaker for my mom who has cancer. I'm also running in and out of Boston to care for my mom who has cancer. I'm also do extra work out here besides running a business. I also am a full-time mom, grandmother, caretaker, whatever you want to call it. That's what I do. I wear all those hats. Okay? I say all that to say I'm not your average Joe or your average whatever you want to call it in a woman's form. I actually work hard and do things hard every single day. Okay? If you happen to pop on a vertical live because it's on the live stream, on the shorts feed because it's a live vertical, and you see a person crying, let me explain to you in case your mom didn't explain to you, or your dad, or somebody that was older didn't explain to you about respect. If nobody did nothing to you, nobody did nothing to harm you, and somebody is crying, the first response would be compassion. The second response would be, what can I do to help you? Is there something going wrong that I can help you with? At no point of that equation is there time for you to swear. Is there time for you to be rude? Is there time for any of those things? Because, again, all you should be doing is making sure there's something you might be able to do or asking a person in the most nonchalant and kind, compassionate way you can. See, a lot of you people are not raised properly. No disrespect, but I have to say that. Because it's like I read comments, I see live streams, I see all, and it's like, what are you doing that you would come on somebody's live? Oh, I know what you're doing. Nothing. Yeah, you're doing a lot of nothing. Because if you was doing a lot of nothing, of something, your time would kind of be spent elsewhere. It wouldn't be spent on this platform when somebody's crying. In the background, you see hospital settings. Are y'all dumb? Honestly, are you dumb? Wake up. You hear that? Figure it out. If you see a hospital background and you see a person crying, 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm sorry, I lost the equation where 2 plus 2 was 1. It's really not that hard to figure out. So when you get on a live stream and you say, what the is going on? Oh, what the keep crying? What? Remember what I said. 2 plus 2 is 4. Hospital room, crying, must be a problem. Must be sad. Maybe even death. Again, are you dumb? So let me also reiterate. Welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube. Stop playing with me on this channel, okay? Stop coming on my lives with your bull, because I'm not the one for it. I'm going through a tough time right now. My mom is dying. Stop playing with me. You don't see no smile on my face. You don't see me laughing. It's not funny to me. It's not funny to me that somebody who is behind a screen, a mobile phone, an app, if you will, sees a person with a hospital background, sees a person crying, but your response would be to say, what the is going on? I'm sorry. Somebody, that same person even said LOL. Oh, I know, you was trying to get notice. Because at what scenario would LOL be fitting in? Again, let me rewind it again for those people out there who don't know that 2 plus 2 is 4. They thought 2 plus 2 was 1. When you see a hospital background, because you don't see that now, I'm at home. But when you see a hospital background, are y'all serious? What does it take for you to know what that means? And when you see tears, you know, I didn't go to college, but I did graduate high school. And a lot of the things I've just said is kind of not even on that level. It's more elementary, my dears. Work with it. Get a little knowledge. A person crying, hospital, sadness, grief. Don't be a dumbass and come on somebody's live stream when they're at a hospital and say the most ludicrous, absolutely freaking dumb stuff that you can even think off the top of your head because you got a lot of time on your hands. Are you winning or are you losing? Because I would say you're probably losing if you're sitting on this app watching me cry at a hospital and say LOL. You losing in a lot of ways. Didn't get no hug. Didn't get no love. Where your woman? Where your man? Why are you sad? Oh, are you losing a loved one? Or are you just alone? Always been alone. Never had the love of family like we do over here. Won't you join the family? Those people, the naysayers. Why don't you join? Why don't you become a member? Because you seem to be very dedicated to our family. You need a special spot over here. Again, welcome to my crazy big black family. Don't come on this channel playing around. And what you don't want to do is don't come on here playing around right now. Because I've said it before. I'll make a video and I'll get views and I get paid to do that. But hey, if you want to be my content and you want to know what the f is going on, it's you, smart guy. Hi. Welcome to my crazy big black family. Come again.